How to make smoked chicken legs on your pellet smoker. Alright, they're going to be delicious, but it's going to take some time. So, it's going to be, before we even get started, we're going to set our pellet smoker to 325. The time's going to be about 85 minutes total cook. So before you put your sauce on, it's going to take about an hour. Then after you get your sauce on, we're probably going to go to another 15-25 minutes. So secret ingredient to keep our wings crispy is going to be cornstarch. It's going to keep the juices in and help them crisp up. Then we're going to add our favorite rub. Today we're going to use Traeger anything rub. You might ask why we put the cornstarch on there, but nobody likes getting a nice barbecue smoked chicken wing and the skin not being crispy. This mixing is going to take a little bit of time, so if you get a chance, give this video a like. Maybe subscribe to the channel. We got plenty of cool cooking videos, unboxing of meat delivery services, but most importantly, you want to get this rib rub, or this wing rub, this leg rub, everywhere you can on the chicken. So give it some time, make sure you get it mixed, because the more you have it covered, the more flavor you're going to get and the crispier your legs are going to be. So reach down to the bottom of the bowl, grab some of that extra rub, get it all over. Anything that looks wet still, you're going to want to get it covered. Just keep on mixing. Now we get to the bottom of the bowl, there's going to be extra rub, sprinkle it on top. Just keep going until your hands get tired. Now this chicken can spread bacteria, so you want to make sure you're wearing gloves. Alright, it's looking good to me. Let's go ahead and get them on the grill. Now our grill's at 325-ish. It's always a little crazy with the smoker. You want to get the legs and give them a little bit of space in between so that delicious smoke flavor can get all over your legs. Make sure they're not touching. It's also going to help ensure an even cook and make sure the chicken's safe to eat. Now we're getting close. Just a couple more. Squeeze in there, buddy. Just get in there. Alright, so now it's going to be about an hour before you do anything else, so find yourself something else to do. Grab yourself a cold beverage. Maybe find something else to do. You never know. Just try not to get a sunburn. It's been about an hour. Our legs are up to temperature. Go ahead and take them off. You want to make sure they're fully cooked before you take them off. That way, after you get them sauced, there's not going to be any questions. So, yeah, they might look a little funny now, but trust me, that cornstarch was worth it, and they're going to be crispy. So, let's go ahead and pick a sauce. Today's sauce we're going to be using is actually a Traeger sauce, Traeger Q sauce. This one's a little bit more expensive, but I like it, so depending on what you like. I mean, right now, especially during the summer, you can find a decent barbecue sauce at the grocery store for maybe $2. Try one out, try a new one every week. Just make sure you get them nicely covered. Same thing as with the rub and the starch. You're going to want to make sure that everything is covered. Just take your time, stir them up until your hands get tired, and make sure everything is completely covered. Yeah, we got some work to do on these guys.
Should I have this ribbon?
Yeah. Just keep going.
Jesus.
Everything's going to be covered here pretty soon. Now, just tell me if you see anything in there that's not covered yet. Also, leave me a comment. What's your favorite barbecue sauce? You like? Now let's put them back on the wing, on the grill. It's going to be about another 25 minutes, 15. Now there's going to be some temptation. Right now you're going to want to eat the legs, but trust me, wait, it'll be worth it. I'm thinking about it right now, but I'm not going to do it. I promise you. So same thing, keep your spacing. Don't let them touch. You want to get a nice smoke circulation around the legs. Yep, we're almost there. Oh, that's the last one. Should we take it now? No, don't take it. You want to eat it right now? You can, but you're going to be better off if you wait. So trust me on that one. Don't take the leg. Put it on the grill. So now our legs are on. Just maybe 15 more minutes till glory. Let's see how we did. Take them off. That sauce is nice and caramelized. And they look delicious, but remember they're going to be hot, so you're going to want them let them rest for about 10-15 minutes before you actually do eat them. So just a quick recap: set the grill at 325, cooked them for about an hour, check their internal temperature, put them in your favorite barbecue sauce, put them back on the grill for 15-25 minutes until they get the nice caramelization look that you are looking for. Now it's time to go ahead and sit back and enjoy your creation. Now these legs will be crispy, skinned, soft and juicy on the inside, and absolutely delicious. I hope this is helpful to you and helps your summer be better. Enjoy your legs.